Start minimizing your material possessions today and embark on a transformative journey toward a simpler, more fulfilling life. As you begin this process, you will find yourself using significantly less energy on acquiring, organizing, moving, and maintaining your belongings. This newfound freedom from the constant demands of material items will allow you to redirect your focus toward what truly matters. When you become less attached to your possessions, you can share them more freely and unconditionally with others. This act of giving, devoid of expectations or conditions, will bring a profound sense of peace and joy into your life. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that the items you no longer need are bringing value and happiness to someone else. Take the time to carefully identify items in your home that you no longer use or need. Instead of letting them gather dust, give them away without expecting anything in return or seeking recognition for your generosity. This act of giving is not about receiving accolades or rewards but about embracing the simple and soulful joy that comes from unburdening yourself from unnecessary material possessions. By simplifying your surroundings, you create a calming environment that promotes mental clarity and well-being. A decluttered space can lead to a deeper appreciation for the things that truly matter in life, such as relationships, personal growth, and meaningful experiences. The process of letting go of material items can be a deeply enriching experience, fostering a sense of contentment and inner peace that is often elusive in a world driven by consumerism. Furthermore, as you let go of these items, you'll find that your living space becomes less cluttered and more serene. This newly created physical space can also lead to emotional and spiritual growth. Living with less allows you to focus more on the present moment, and appreciate the beauty of simplicity. The journey toward minimalism can be a path to self-discovery and personal development, where you learn to value experiences over possessions and find joy in the little things. Imagine walking into a home that is free from the clutter of unnecessary items. Each room feels spacious and inviting, and every item you own serves a purpose or brings you joy. This is the kind of environment that can have a positive impact on your mental health, reducing stress and anxiety. When your home is organized and free from excess, you can think more clearly and feel more at ease. The benefits of lightening your material load extend beyond your immediate environment. By adopting a minimalist lifestyle, you can also positively impact the world around you. Reducing your consumption and waste contributes to a more sustainable future. By sharing your excess possessions with others, you promote a sense of community and interconnectedness. Your actions can inspire others to also embrace a simpler, more mindful way of living. In summary, start minimizing your material possessions today and experience the myriad benefits that come with it. By reducing the energy spent on accumulating, maintaining, and managing your belongings, you free yourself to focus on what truly matters. Share your possessions unconditionally, give without expecting anything in return, and embrace the soulful joy of unburdening your spirit from unnecessary material baggage. This journey toward a simpler, more meaningful life will bring you lasting peace, fulfillment, and happiness. Embrace the transformative power of minimalism and watch as it reshapes your life in profound ways. Your journey starts with a single step, choosing to let go of what you no longer need and making space for what truly enriches your life. Begin today, and discover the peace, joy, and fulfillment that come from living with less. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.